up, y'all? It's Tay with TippedByTay showing you how to properly put on press-ons. So here we go. So my kit already comes with the bells and the whistles. It comes with a card showing you how to do everything and how to take off, alcohol swab, a buffer, glue stick, and a sturdy cuticle pusher. But first, we sanitize. First things first, we're going to push back those cuticles and make them look beautiful. This is what gives the press-ons the effect of that they are realistic, like real acrylic enhancements. Now, throughout this video, I do go over my cuticles a couple times, but that's only because my cuticles are rough, and they rough. So now we're going to grab that good old buffer, buff those nails out. Make sure you have no shininess on your nails. Okay, this is what's going to help those press-on stick. No shininess on your nails, okay? None. So now we're just going to get us a little alcohol wipe and wipe off the remaining dust and, you know, all that bad stuff. Let it dry, and then we're going to apply our glue. I had to get me a little fan, honey. It wasn't drying fast enough for me. Okay. And then I pushed my cuticles back again. Like I said, I did it a couple times. You know, I couldn't help it. Now we're finally going to go in with our glue. I like to add the glue on the bottom and let it spread to like the top of my nail, because that's what it does every time I do it. I don't know about y'all, but that's how I do when I do it. And I forgot to size that pinky, but you do want to size them, like kind of like make sure like they're like the way you put them down is straight, because as you can see a couple of times, I put on a couple of them crooked, whatever you want to call it, and I had to redo them, and that gets aggravating. So, you know, just kind of size them before you put them on, and make sure you have your fingers straight. Oh, excuse me, all that good old stuff. See, baby, at this point, I was kind of feeling myself, so I had to go and oil me down because I'm ready to flash these nails. Do you feel me? I ain't had nails on in so long, y'all. So these feel so foreign on me. And I think since a lot of people, you know, don't feel comfortable doing another nail tech's nails, I'm just gonna stick to doing my own press-ons, and they gonna be bomb every time because I'm gonna have different styles. I'm gonna switch it up. Bah, bah, bah. They finna be mad at me. And here is the finishing product in some natural sunlight. Yes, these are made by me. And if you would like these or another set that I've done, or if you want your own customized set, hit me up. Info will be below. And this is just a slow-mo video of everything because look at how bomb these are. I got these off of Instagram. I don't know who page, but I got these off of Instagram. But I'm definitely feeling myself. Definitely. Period.